Hi everybody, this is Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. I want to show you this great card. It uses some of the paper that was in Celebration, Lily Impressions. What we're going to be using is, I am going to be using the Thank You from Peaceful Moments. I am going to be using Melon Mambo ink. For cardstock, I am using 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Melon Mambo. For the card base, I'm using a piece of 4 by 5.25 Granny Apple Green. I am also going to be using a piece of Melon Mambo scrap. I am using a piece of our Vellum. This is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I am using a piece of Lily Impressions Designer Series paper, 3 3/4 by 5 inches, plus 2 3 3/4 by 1 inch. All right. I'm also using, of course, glue dots and stamping dimensionals. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to put the Granny Apple Green on the Melon Mambo. Now, you would think these two don't go together, but they go beautifully together. All those bright colors in the bright pack, they kind of go all together, the hues. Okay, so I'm just doing this. And then what I am going to do is I am going to put the vellum over the big piece of Lily Impression Designer Series paper. So what I want to do is I want to just put the glue dots along the top and the bottom, not the sides, because I'm going to cover them up. So, and now I am going to stick a piece of one of these 1 inch by 3 3/4 inches over the top of and the bottom of the vellum. Mainly to cover up the glue dots, but I wanted to show off. Now I've showed off some of the color in there, but I wanted to show off some more of it with it not being as muted with the vellum. And there we got that. Then I'm just going to put that right on, layer that on the Granny Apple Green. I know I have my, oh, there it is, my bone folder. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch out a pretty label punch from the Melon Mambo. And then with Melon Mambo, I am just going to stamp Thank You. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Stampin' Dimensionals, I like muting down some of the brighter colors with the vellum, but I also like showing them off. So there we go. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to order to do this card is down below. And if you like my stuff, I really would appreciate it if you purchase from me. Thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.